Actually, earlier people used to go to railway stations, bus stands, airport to book their tickets. But now time is totally changed. You don't need to visit your bus stands, your railway stations, and airports. You can you can book your tickets staying comfortably at home. So yeah, making reservations and canceling is totally changed by these online e-ticketing methods. For this, various web portals are available for ticketing, e-ticketing, and apart from that you can also book your movie tickets, and hotel rooms and other services are also available. E-banking, electronic banking. Actually, if your bank have the facility of net banking, you don't need to visit personally your bank to perform the transactions or access your bank account. This totally can be done by you sitting at home comfortably anytime as per your convenient. These are the few banks who provide the net banking services like SBI, PNB, ICICI, Axis, and HDFC, Kotak Mahindra. Next is safety measures during using e-banking. These are the few points you have to keep in your mind. Firstly, always make your financial transactions secure from the secure website. This S sign indicates that the website you are being searched by you is secure. Next is never share your password or OTP. OTP is one time password, ATM pin, or other confidential banking details with anyone. You are very well aware with the cyber crimes are being done online. So make sure yourself from being victim of these frauds. And last and very important one is always log out from the bank session whenever you access your account online. सो लॉग आउट करना जो है वो बहुत असेंशियल है. अगर लॉग आउट नहीं करोगे तो कोई भी आपके अकाउंट को एक्सेस जो है वो कर लेगा. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज़ UPI, यूनिफाइड पेमेंट इंटरफेस, रियल टाइम पेमेंट सिस्टम, ऑनलाइन पेमेंट सिस्टम, कैशलेस पेमेंट सिस्टम, जिसमें क्या है, मनी कैन बी ट्रांसफर्ड बिटवीन टू अकाउंट्स थ्रू द मोबाइल प्लेटफॉर्म. पेटीएम वगैरह आप लोगों ने सुना ही होगा. सो दीज आर द प्लेटफॉर्म्स टू मेक द नेशन digital. So this is a efficient way to make the cashless payments faster and easy for the million of people in our country. It is a safe and secure method for performing transaction as it done very highly encrypted format. Next is BHIM, Bharat Interface for Money. It is also under the UPI. Allows you to do the transaction between the two parties or accounts instantly whenever they require to transfer the money. This app actually supports all the Indian banks which use that platform. नेक्स्ट इज़ ई ग्रीटिंग. ई ग्रीटिंग आप लोग को पता ही है, आप लोग ई कार्ड्स भेजते हो, ठीक है. जो कार्ड्स इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली भेजे जाते हैं फॉर द ग्रीटिंग, दीज आर कॉल्ड ई ग्रीटिंग्स. अगर आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को, रिलेटिव्स को बर्थडे, एनिवर्सरीज या कोई भी उनका स्पेशल ओकेजन पे विश करना चाहते हो, यू कैन यूज़ दीज ग्रीटिंग कार्ड्स विच आर अवेलेबल ऑन डिफरेंट ई ग्रीटिंग वेबसाइट्स.